If at first you don't succeed, try again. Last time we participated in a Fringe Jam, Katsuro, the most capable programmer, came up empty-handed. Will this time be any different? It is! 3 developers, 3 levels of skill, 3 games. A month of time, and the theme is... Observe the fire from the opposite shore. Ugh, what an oddly specific theme. Doesn't leave much to the imagination. Or does it? We have a month? Let's see what we come up with. Katsuro, what do you have for us? Hopefully a game?
Wow, we're so slow.
You can press shift.
Oh, to run. Just like the other game.
Yeah.
Okay, how do I collect wood?
You don't. It says static space. C'est écrit.
You're right. I thought it was enter for some reason.
Did you read?
Well, it went a bit fast and I'm slow.
Yeah, exactly. Wait,
so fast.
what's next?
Yeah, we got some wood. What do we do
You
now?
gotta bring the wood logs to the sign.
We gotta get rid of the sign.
There's a sign.
Yeah.
I saw it. It was like over here, wasn't it?
The camera zoomed on it, like literally. It moved onto the sign.
Yeah, I remember that. It was like top right or something, right?
Oh, there.
Is it this?
Is that a sign?
Is this the sign?
Yeah.
And now.
Next to the sign.
Yeah. Next to the sign.
On the right
Oh,
side.
I died.
No. It's like playing like hockey or something.
Yeah. I don't know about you, but that's how I roll logs around. I'm trying to beat Luca now at this point at the race. No, it's...
And when you die...
Yes! Way!
Oh, no way!
I'm burning.
You're burning. And you can still see how much time you have left. So...
Yeah, 20.
Was
11.
Oh, yes! I beat Ezra!
I added the timer so quickly. I don't even understand how I do that.
Yeah, do you have a text renderer or is all of this like sprites?
Sprites.
Wow, not bad. Well, I would say
You have an animated fire. That's pretty cool.
yeah, and the trees.
The trees and a lot of things.
Yeah.
Were animated.
Oh, I know this asset.
Yeah, yeah.
I almost took it, but I was like, nah, no.
But yeah, I have to say, much better game than your last one.
Game. The first one, yeah. You did it.
And it's pretty fun to cut down the trees and roll them with the physics engine.
Yeah, when I accidentally did that, I was like, okay, this is the gameplay.
You're having too much fun playing around with it. You're like, yep, this is the fun.
The tutorial is a bit like rush, but like do this now.
But it's pretty cool, and you got like a physics system and like the bridge, and you push it down the bridge. Not bad, pretty cool.
On the other side, the bridge was not the position of the bridge was not really obvious because there was like nothing.
It took me a little while to understand, but on a second replay, like the camera is really cool that there's a whole like cutscene and the camera jumps around and stuff. But if you could maybe make it instead that you have to press enter to see the next chat and then the camera moves to the position, you know? So that way we have time and it's like go to this place and then whoosh, and you're like where am I now?
Yeah.
So if it was a little on our own time, because then I could observe more of the background and the text and understand what's happening instead of just being thrown in real quick. But otherwise, it's really cool.
I would have really liked like a restart or replay button.
Yeah, like for sure. That's a necessity. That would be really nice too.
Like there's 4 kind of level on your games, so restart will be really nice.
Mm-hmm.
But
I would give it a 6 or 7 out of 10 if I had to put a number to it.
I think I'll get a 7.
Just give me time to write down the improvement point that you told me.
Mm-hmm. Wow, that was something. I'm truly proud of the progress Katsuro has gone through. He narrowed his scope, focused on gameplay, and actually made a game. Next up, Mr. Monocle, our beginner game maker, which once again is using Python and Pygame. Let's see what he made. Looks to be some kind of phone app style game?
Oh,
So
it's like a phone mode.
yeah, it's like a phone game, kind of like you can move. Yeah, if you go down, the game will close. If you go twice down, the game will close. Actually, and like for the left is the wood, the right is the rock, the hub is to build the bridge. You see, like you guys just started, and it gets you a timer.
Okay, so the timer is almost
The
done.
time, yeah, the time that the character take to like mine or chop wood.
Player does what? Does not have enough material. Okay.
Yeah, because you need 10 and 10 of each things
Ooh.
to build the bridge.
I got 9 rocks, and then I got 1 rock, and it took forever to get the last one.
I got 10.
So, as you see, yeah, it could take a while, and like I shorted up for the jam, but it's like a phone game. Like you can, I could have continued developing, like going up and go to find something else, even up, like go to collect some new resource to build some fancier bridge or stuff like that, and like go on. And like chopping wood could have take like 2 hours. Yeah, that would be a game like you give it a task, you close the application, and it continue to work. It gives you a time in between 5 to 10 seconds randomly, and it gives you a 5 to 10 wood the first time. After that, it's like I don't know. I don't remember the exact number, but you guys have bridge almost done.
I'm gonna win.
Oh. 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 Okay.
Did you
Well.
win or did you crash?
I think I crashed actually, but I think I also win. It says finish state is not defined. So the game has no
Oops.
winning state, I guess.
Well, that's an actual win, maybe.
I thought it was cool. It was like it was made for a phone.
Yeah.
That's very nice. You did a really great job about the asset that you
Management.
modified. I find that the timer was a little bit too much. First, I wasn't very obvious. It wasn't very obvious that I was taking wood, so I was really wondering why I couldn't move.
We didn't have time to place the timer like at the right place, so.
And yeah, you did an inventory, which you didn't do before.
Yeah.
So
Proud of it.
It's really
I even draw the pickaxe and the axe and the control thing.
And like you were saying before, like if this was a mobile game, I could totally see like advances in this where you always build bigger and better bridges that take longer to make. That maybe you can cross different bridges to get different materials. So then you have to go between worlds to get the various
Yeah, you
materials.
can even like go left or right to build bridge on the side, and
So,
you
yeah.
can just go explore.
It could be very interesting, and then it could be randomly generated, procedurally
Yeah.
generated.
I
Like
think I give it a 6 for the gameplay for what it is now, and I'll give it a 8 or 8-9 for the asset, war management, and for like the font rendering.
I would say the exact same thing, and I would give it a 6, and I would give it a higher score. Also, if you would have added the mini game aspect that you wanted to do.
Yeah. I wanted to like add mini games like that, short the timer a bit. Like like when you go like left to chop wood, you have also a mini game that you can play. Like you need to click some juice on something at the right time to just like get more wood. But didn't have time for that.
It might have been a simple game, but it's one that could have some potential if more of the ideas were explored. All in all, it's really cool that he had something. Finally, there's me, the pro, and so I wanted to impress everyone. So, within my very own game engine, I made a 3D game called Riverfire. Not only was it 3D, it had multiple levels.
Riverfire.
Riverfire.
Ring of Fire.
Wow.
Ooh.
Oh wow, 3D game. Jesus Christ.
Welcome to Riverfire.
Oh. Bonus user games. Ooh, it's
Jesus
really
Christ, man.
I got lots of levels. I suggest starting with level 1 and making it procedurally
Yeah.
through, you know?
But the intro is nice. Like, oh, you're turning around and you do the thing with the screen. Like,
Yeah.
it's like an opening TV.
Yeah,
And the menu is very neat as well.
thank you.
And
Look at that.
percentage and time.
Look at that tree, man.
So,
Whoa, that's a huge circle.
so
Is that the oh, it's the sun, like
it's just a skybox thing. It's fine. I didn't want to remove it, but I knew it looked weird.
okay, and
Luca's the first to die.
how do I get past this?
All right, so I want you to think about it. So, what was the theme? I want one of you to tell me what the theme was exactly. We pinned it.
Look at the fire over the shore.
I pinned it. Look specifically.
Yeah. Observe the fire from the opposite shore.
Right, so
I died.
you never actually had to make a game where you got to the opposite shore. You just had to observe the fire from the opposite shore, right?
E.
Uh,
E.
What?
Whoa.
Did I just threw out like alcohol?
yeah, you just threw the Molotov, and now you're observing the fire from the opposite shore.
Oh my
no.
god.
Good job, Mono.
Okay, so. Oh. Oh my god. So you have to like burn the whole island.
Gosh, no,
The
no.
opposite shore.
Oh, is Luca gonna do it? Is Luca gonna do it?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
Good job.
Yes.
Oh, I killed myself.
Enter what?
Pressing enter breaks bridges.
Should I break bridge?
Well, there's not much left you can do, so...
Oh my god. I killed myself.
No, no.
You might get
Please.
you might get a perfect score. Is he gonna get another perfect score? Oh, so
I'm
close.
So strong. Is there a way to get the perfect score?
Nice job. What's your time?
Oh, you
Less than a minute.
Less than a minute.
on level 3.
What did you do? Did you already throw it? You already threw it. I see the percentage on the top. I'm an idiot. There's a big catastrophe behind you.
Let's go.
Oh, that's unbelievable.
Yes. Yes.
Both of you got 100% on your first try on that level. That's unbelievable. Just a little detail.
Oh, damn it.
Oh shit! No. Oh.
So this is the one my dad made, Monocle. He's
Smart.
yeah.
Smart one.
Yeah.
Yes.
You
Let's
are
go.
dead.
Why? No, I'm not. Look at that. I'm fine.
This is fine.
Look at that. I'm fine. I'm fine. Everything's going so much into plan.
Everything's fine. You didn't even know the fire was on your side. That's gonna be an epic win. Not even.
Why?
Something didn't catch on fire. I don't know who to look at. All of this gameplay is so exciting. Okay, you gotta figure out, is everything on
think it is. It should. Come on.
It's the tile right next to you.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
You might
I
want to go the other way.
No, I'm super dead.
You're
I'm dead.
fine.
Ah,
Oh, and explosions can off put your throw too.
come on. Dun, 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 dun.
I think you got it. All you got to do is survive this, and you got it, Monocle. Is that where you want to be? Ooh.
Sure.
Congratulations. Total pyromaniac.
100, 100. Ah, 65, 100.
River barbecue. It's really appreciable that you get all these hundreds, Monocle. Imagine that you're with your friends and you got to blow up each other's islands.
Oh no!
I got it.
My goodness, Luca.
I get the bonuses now.
Oh man,
I gotta do the
Nice.
bonuses.
nice. Everybody nice. Alexi is at the bonuses.
Bonus annihilation, boom, and user games. Oh,
Yeah, good luck getting 100% or even just winning this one.
oh, cow.
Yeah, so that tile sheet I only use it for the editor. I don't use it with anything else. And you can see the
But
player
it's nice
spawn
to
point is
see-
there too.
But it's nice to see it like that.
And the level and the main menu too is also a level like this too. I put a R there, which means rotate, and that's the level selector block. So when you put that, it that makes this stage a level selection screen, and then I load this level when the game boots, which is also
And it's
a recreation of one level. But yeah,
where's the S, the blue tile?
that was going to be a multiplayer spawn point.
Oh,
Legit, I was that close to adding it. I can't believe it. Luca just has a better score than me now. He got 100% in the level I never got. You're not getting 100% in this. I'll put all the code up later, like this week or something, so you can see how all of this is made. And indeed I did. The code for this and all of my other French Jam submissions are on my GitLab, so if you want to check it out, for some reason, there you go. What an exciting event filled with creativity and talent from everyone involved, especially me. I was so close to adding multiplayer. Could you imagine if I did that? If, like, during a game jam? Man, one can only dream.